Things every child needs. Structure and routines help children thrive because they know what to expect. Quality time. Spending quality time with your children helps you meet their needs and discover who they are. You can spend quality time with your kids doing everyday activities. Here are some ways you can make more time for your kids. Read with your children. Let children help with chores. Include your child in projects around the house. Cook with your kids. Take up a hobby with your child. Take a walk with your children and talk to them. Affection. Physical touch supports their brain development. Children whose parents are affectionate are less likely to grow up to be anxious, emotionally distressed, or hostile. Physical affection releases a hormone called oxytocin. Children with higher levels of oxytocin may be primed for better social interactions and relationships in the future. Security. Children need to feel safe and sound and have their basic needs met. More brain development happens in the first 3 years than any other time. If a child's basic needs aren't met during that time, it can have lifelong consequences. Emotional support. Children are learning to cope with their own emotions and need your help to learn how to self-regulate. You can model for your children when you're feeling frustrated, sad, or angry. Label your emotions and show your child how to deal with them in a constructive way. Education. A good education teaches children to develop critical and logical thinking skills. Better education leads to a better job and increased earning potential, also associated with living a longer, healthier life. Healthcare. Good healthcare affects children's physical and emotional health, growth, and development, and their ability to reach their full potential. All children need access to high-quality health and dental care. Good dental care is also important because oral diseases can lead to serious general health problems. Thank you for watching.